Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn brand kit using Canva Teams, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open Canva and log in to your account. Navigate to the Teams section on the sidebar. Select the team that contains your brand kit. Once you're in the team dashboard, locate the brand kit tab. Click on the brand kit to open it. You'll see your existing brand colors, logos, and fonts. To download your brand kit, look for the download options. Download the brand colors by copying the hex codes for each color. You can paste these codes into a document for easy access later. Next, take a screenshot of your logos. Ensure to capture all variations and sizes you want to keep. For your fonts, note down the names of the font styles you are using. You can also copy the font details into your document. Once you have all your assets collected, it's time to organize them. Create a new folder on your computer titled LinkedIn Brand Kit Backup. Paste your logos and document with color codes and font names into this folder. For added safety, consider uploading this folder to a cloud storage service. This ensures that your brand kit will be accessible from anywhere. To back up in Canva, return to the Teams section. Click on Settings and then Team Members. Make sure all important members are added for collaborative access. You can also enable sharing permissions to determine who can edit the brand kit. Now that your brand kit is backed up, you can utilize it on LinkedIn. Be sure to maintain and update your brand kit as you evolve your brand presence. This will keep your visual identity consistent across all platforms. With everything saved and organized, you're ready to enhance your LinkedIn profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.